We are going to do what we call switch and case conditional programming or code. So we are going to see how we work with both switch and case together. So we are going to use a very simple code here. Okay, I'm using Eloquent JavaScript and editor program. So I will define a variable, let's say day, and I will allow you to choose to enter your day. Sorry. So enter a day. So that one will produce a dialog box which will require you to enter a day. Now, if you enter a day, so we bring in the switch keyword, and in switch keyword we put the variable binding. So our binding name is day. Okay, so what the switch is going to do is going to check the coming up cases, and then it will check for the case which has a binding, which has a binding value. Our binding value is prompt enter a day. So the day that we shall enter there will be a value. So whichever case will have that value, the day you will enter in that dialog box which appears, then that will be where our target, and therefore the code will be executed. So let's set our first value to be Monday. So if you enter Monday, then we shall run this code. We shall run first day. Okay, first day. Okay, or let's say just on the point. So that's what you will get. Okay, now we have to break. Break is important. If it doesn't break, then we not get what we want. Remember, case and switch, they have what we called for through. So if it doesn't break the running, then it will execute the first case, go on to the second case and third case. Though when it has been defined that way, it will just run the case with the date that we shall enter and then default. But to avoid a lot of problems, let's just break it. So after every case you break, okay. So we move on to case 2, where we have our day being Tuesday. If our day is Tuesday, okay, then if we enter a Tuesday day, then this code will run console.log. If you enter this, it's not okay. Let's assume our target is Monday. If you enter this one, then we try again. try again. All right. Then we break. Remember, you have to break every time. You have to break. Then the last case is default. 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 Default is what appears if you doesn't write what is being expected. Okay. Remember, within the loop, if it was loop, then if it doesn't write what is not expected, the dialog keeps on reappearing until you enter something which is expected. But for the condition programming or codes, here we have default. For the case of switch and case, we have default. If you enter something else which is not expected, our expectation, let's say, is Tuesday, Monday. If you enter Monday, then you get on the point. If you enter Tuesday, that one is not expected, so you get the default. Okay. If you enter, uh, if you enter, let's say, anything else like a letter or number 1, 2, 3, you get the default. Okay, but the box here on first line, that is the variable line, I have decided to produce a box uh, which you will define the value of a variable which is a day. So if you define it being Tuesday, of course Tuesday case will run. If you define it being Monday case will run. If you doesn't put anything, maybe a letter which is not either Monday or Tuesday, then you get the default. Right. So for default, you will get not, let's say, not Tuesday or Monday. So we complete it by closing using curly braces. So let's run and see. You see, so enter there. So assuming I enter Monday, which is our our target. So the result is not Tuesday or Monday. Then it means we have a problem somewhere. We broke this one, we broke this one. It's okay. And okay, we need to break. We need to break. We need to break default also. So if it doesn't break default, you shall have problems. Sorry. Okay, now it's good. So you can run it. Run it. Okay, let's say Monday. Not used or okay. I've used capital M. Monday, small m on the pointer because it matches case 1, which is on line 3. So I get that code running. If maybe I enter Tuesday, you have to mind about the letters. If it's uppercase, then let it be uppercase or lowercase. If I enter Tuesday, then because I've broken everything, the code on line 6 will run, case 2, Tuesday will run, then I'll get try again. Now if I enter something else, which is not Monday, Tuesday, okay, I'll get what? The default. That is not Tuesday or Monday. So that's how we use uh, that is how we use switch and case in JavaScript programming. The key thing there is, number one, you have to know the structure of of uh, of switch and case. Number one, you can define a variable, okay, like the way I've defined day. Let day, I've defined it, but my definition, I've allowed the user to select a day, either Monday or Tuesday. If you enter anything else, then you get the default. So if my user select uh, Monday as is day, then my variable, which is day, will have Monday as value. So the switch will check for case 1, case 2, and of course default, which one has Monday. And for my program, which I've decided with you here, is line 3, where is case Monday. Case Monday. So case Monday will run. And because I've broken it, the others will not be considered. So I'll just get the console writing for me on the point. Then if you choose Tuesday, case Tuesday runs and you get try here. If you put any other uh, anything, like let's say even 1, 2, 3, which is not Monday or Tuesday, you will get default running, not Tuesday or Monday. Yes, so that's how you use switch and case on JavaScript. Please ensure you check the semicolons and full colons. Please also check the curly braces, the closing and opening bracket. They are very important. Right.